All right, example 8. Write the equation of a hyperbola with the focus at 6, 0, vertex at 4, 0, and the center at the origin. And I'm going to graph these points just to make sure I'm oriented correctly. So 6, 0, x equals 6, y equals 0. So the focus is, let's say, positive, negative 6, and the vertex is x equals 4, y equals 0. So we are looking at this, which dictates that we use the equation because we're centered at the origin. We don't have any left-right transformations. All right, so they give us the vertex, the major vertex at 4. That means A equals 4. And they gave us a focus at 6, C equals 6. So let's calculate B. All right, 6 squared equals 4 squared plus b squared. B squared equals 36 minus 16. B squared equals 20. And I'm going to leave it as 20. So the equation of my hyperbola with the focus at 6, 0, vertex at 4, 0, and center at 0, 0 is going to be x squared over a squared is 4 squared, which is 16, minus x squared of 20. Minus y squared over 20. All right, done. Write the equation equals 1. All right, last problem. Similar, only they're not giving us quite enough information, but they do tell us that we've got foci at x equals 0, y equals 8, x equals 0, y equals negative 8. So I'm going to sketch this out. So I've got foci at y equals positive 8 and negative 8. So presumably my vertex is going to be inside that. And we are oriented along the y-axis, which means we're going to use y squared over a squared minus x squared over b squared. And they're not giving us an a or b, but they do give us c and a little equation to use. C divided by a is 4/3, so we know that C is going to be, I'm going to use the positive 8 over a is equal to 4 over 3. I'm going to multiply both sides by a because that's the thing I'm solving for. I'm going to get it out of the denominator. 8 is equal to 4/3 a, and now I'm going to multiply both sides by 3/4. Okay, 4 goes into 8 twice. 3 times 2 is 6. So a equals 6, and now I can use c squared equals a squared plus b squared to find b. So c is 8 equals 6 squared plus b squared, or 64 minus 36 equals b squared, and it looks like b squared equals 28. Now, they don't ask me to write this in standard form, so I'm going to go ahead and square a and b. I get y squared over 6 squared is 36 minus x squared over 28 equals 1. If they asked me to write in standard form, they'd want me to show the a and the b squared. All right, we're done with this example, done with the lesson. See you in class.